Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss subject computer of class 6 lesson 1 computer language exercise questions. So page number 9, first is fill in the blanks. Question number 1, a program is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. Number 2, the development of computer language can be classified into 4 categories. Machine language consists of binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. Number 4, Space War was the first interactive computer game. Number 5, high-level language uses simple English words and mathematical operators. Number 6, assembly language uses mnemonic codes or symbols. Number 7, LISP was the first computer language for writing artificial intelligence program. Number 8, in binary language, 0 means off and 1 means on state. Now B, true, false. Machine language is the only language which a computer understands. True. That is question number 1. Then question number 2, assembly language is regarded as the first generation language. So that is false, because assembly language is regarded as the second generation language. Question number 3, each programming language has its own specific rules. That is true. Number 4, compiler converts a high-level language program into machine language line by line. But that is not compiler, that is interpreter. So it is false. Number 5, high-level language program has to be converted into machine language by translator program. That is true. Fortran language, question number 6, Fortran language was designed for business users. But for business users it is not Fortran, it is COBOL. So false. Question number 7, programming is the process of writing specific instruction in the computer language. That is true. Question number 8, machine language uses mnemonic codes, but mnemonic codes are used by assembly language. Machine language uses binary digits, that are zeros and ones. So it is false. So C, application based question. Kapil's aunt was a computer programmer during the third generation of computer language. What kind of language did she use then? Third generation, that is why it will be high level language only, in bracket HLL, the short form of high level language. Question number 2 of application based question. Sumit is trying his hand in Java programming, but he doesn't know which type of language it is. Help him to solve his query. It is also high level language, HLL in short. Now, multiple choice question. Number 1, a program written in the assembly language is called what? Source program. Number 2, an interpreter converts a high-level language program into machine language line by line. Number 3, the program converted into machine language by the translator is called object program. Number 4, the term software was first used by John W. Tukey. So question answers. First question is there, what do you mean by machine language? So answer, machine language is the only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. It is also regarded as low level language, LLL. Question number 2, how is assembly language different from machine language? So difference between machine language and assembly language are mentioned below. Number 1 difference, machine language uses binary codes, that is 0 and 1, to depict operators and data, whereas assembly languages uses mnemonic codes or symbols instead of binary numbers. For example, add, sub, short form of addition and subtraction, etc. Number 2 point, machine language is difficult to learn and also time consuming, whereas assembly language is easy to work as compared to machine language. Number 3 point, in machine language execution is fast, whereas in assembly language execution is slow as compared to machine language. Number 4 point, in machine language there is no need of a translator, whereas in assembly language assembler is used as a translator. Now question number 3, what are the features of high level language? The features of high level language are as follows. Number 1, simple and user friendly language. Number 2, language that is machine independent. Question number 4, difference between an interpreter and a compiler. Difference between an interpreter and a compiler are mentioned below. Number 1, an interpreter translates the high-level language program into machine language line by line, whereas a compiler translates the whole program in one go. Number 2 point, interpreter's execution speed is slow, whereas compiler's execution speed is fast. Number 3 point, interpreter requires source code for letter execution, whereas compiler doesn't require source code for letter execution. Number 4 point, an interpreter is used by programming languages such as Python, Ruby, etc., whereas the compiler is used by programming languages such as COBOL, C++, Java, etc. Question number 5. List any 3 characteristics of the 4th generation language. So, the characteristic of 4th generation language are mentioned below. Number 1, highly user friendly and independent of any operating system. Number 2, very high speed of execution designed to reduce the level of programming efforts. And number 3, minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information. So this is the end of chapter 1 exercise question. Thank you.